In order to create your first Facebook page, you need to start from your personal profile. Right now I am in my personal Facebook profile. You can see my feed here. And on my left, I have all of those different options. And in order to start creating your page, you need to click on Pages. If you don't see it among your shortcuts, simply click on See More and you will discover it between all of these options. Once you clicked on Pages, you will see pages that you own, that you admin on your left. And in order to create a new one, simply click on Create a New Page. From here on, follow the instructions that Facebook provide you step by step. First, give a name to that page. The name is very important because it will allow people to find your page on Facebook. So do your homework before choosing a name. You can change it later, but once you start promoting your page and get likes and followers, it will be harder to do because it will take a few business days for Facebook to approve it. So make sure you're choosing a correct name right here. For these training purposes, I will choose a random name. Let's say I will give it my name, Rita, and digital marketer. Then there is a category. Category is required. Pick a correct category. This is also very important if people are looking for a specific business type and not necessarily looking for your business. For example, if you are selling flowers or you're offering hairstyle services in your area, so people might look for that service but not specifically for your service, so make sure the category is correct as well. Now, bio here is optional and you can always add it later, so if you don't have anything right now to fill in, simply skip that step. Once you filled in page name and category, you can click on Create Page. You will receive a message from Facebook that page was created, and now you need to fill in other details to make your page live and to make it look professional. Now, Facebook has added something that they call page health, and at this stage, when we don't have anything on our page, it says fair compared to similar pages with high engagement. And it's comparing our page to the same categories. So that's why it's also important to choose the correct category, because that's how you can know that your page looks good and that you have everything you need in order to start working. What details should you fill in? Website, phone, email, location, and opening hours. Of course, if you don't have a website, you won't be adding one here. You don't have to fill in your phone if you don't want to. Email, I would recommend filling it in because you need to have some kind of way for people to be able to communicate with you other than just sending you messages via Facebook page. Location, if you have a location for your business. If you don't, then just leave it blank. And opening hours, if that's somehow relevant for you. For example, if this page that I'm making is for myself and I'm a digital marketing consultant, so let's say I don't really have any hours, I can work flexible around the clock. Now click next. And here is a part where we need to customize our page. This is also not necessary to do right away if it will take you some time to create a profile image, to create a cover photo. So take your time and just click next. If you have images, then simply upload them right here. I'm using different images just as an example. And then one more option to choose from is Add Action button. The action button can be changed as well when we already have our page ready. So if you don't want to choose it at this stage, don't mind it, just skip to the next one. I will just give you a quick look. What do we have for the action button? We have a lot of different options today. Book now, sign up, start order, view shop, get tickets. Well, there are a lot of different options as well as contact us options. I strongly recommend to use WhatsApp if you have that. It's going to be your business WhatsApp. You need to switch your personal WhatsApp to the business one in order to use it. Call now, send email, contact us. So if I'm going to choose from all these options for contacting us, I will choose either send message, which is the simplest one to set up, or send WhatsApp message. Then there are other different things that you can use, learn more, watch now, and so on and so on. Once you're done, just click next, save. Take a look that page health didn't change yet because we didn't fill in all the details like website, phone. So the more details you have, the easier it will be for your customers to find you and to get information that they're looking for. So Facebook does recommend to fill in all of those details. And since Facebook is interested to get your phone number and as many details about you as possible, they have this step where you can connect WhatsApp to your page. If you don't have WhatsApp, if you don't want people to send you messages, it's okay. You can simply skip this step. And then the fourth step here is to build your page audience. You can invite your friends if that's something that you're looking for. That will be a smart way to grow your followers and to grow your Facebook page by simply inviting your friends. Whenever you are starting a new business, it will be a good idea to tell your friends about that because they're going to be the one who will support you here. If you don't want to invite your friends, simply click next. The last step that you have for your Facebook page creation is stay informed about your page, and you need to choose the way you want to receive notifications. If you want to receive notifications, I usually do not like receiving them via email, and since this is not the real page and I'm just showing you that for the class purposes, I will turn it off. Our page is ready. We can take a tour if we are not familiar with Facebook preferences and settings. I will turn it off. Take a look. This is how Facebook page looks like. We don't have any content here yet and it's empty. We have 0 likes and 0 followers. So this is how the basic Facebook page looks like.